is the month of Allah.
My dear respected viewers of Madani Channel, let's learn about 5 special nights. Subhanallah. Sayyidina Abu Umama radiyallahu ta'ala an has narrated that Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam has said, there are 5 nights in which dua is not rejected. Today, we want to make dua. We want that our dua is accepted. Subhanallah. Aka Kareem alayhi salatu wassalam said that these are the 5 nights. If you ask dua, your dua will not be rejected. It will be accepted. Let's learn about those special nights. So Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, there are 5 nights in which dua is not rejected. The first night of Rajab, the 15th night of Sha'ban, the night between Thursday and Friday, the night of Eid al-Fitr, and the night of Eid al-Adha. My dear respected viewers of Madani Channel, Sayyidina Khalid bin Ma'dan rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi has stated, there are 5 such nights in a year. If one spends them in worship out of recognition with an intention of gaining reward, Allah Azza wa Jal will make him enter into paradise. Subhanallah. My dear respected viewers of Madani Channel, what are those 5 nights? The first night of Rajab, worship during this night and observe fast during the day. The 15th night of Sha'ban, worship during this night and observe fast during the day. The night of Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, the night between the 9th and 10th Dhul Hajj. Worship during these nights, but do not observe fast during the days, as it is impermissible to fast on the days of Eid festivals. Further, the night of Ashura, 10th night of Muharram, worship during the night and observe fast during the day. Dear respected viewers of Madani Channel, from this we learn that there are certain special moments, there are certain special nights, there are certain special times when we worship, when we ask from Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, we are granted. Our du'as are accepted, and those they worship in those specific special moments, they are granted Jannah. Subhanallah. So Rajabul Murajjab, the first night of Rajab, that's important. 15th Sha'ban is important, and the nights of Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, as we've also heard about the night between Thursday and Friday. So that's also very important. May Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala give me tawfiq to make most out of these times, these nights, and gain reward as much as possible. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.